I keep a side of me under wraps.
So first I started off by tinting my lace. I just used concealer and foundation, and that's my foundation brush. I just pat it into the lace. As you probably saw, it was a piece of tape where my part is. I usually put a piece of tape there just to make my wigs look more realistic, make the part look like it's flesh, you know, scalp. Now I'm plucking the part, and as you see, I was trying to hold the other side down because it's super duper hard to pluck synthetic wigs. So I was trying to keep it taut just to give it tension so it can come out easy when I yank it. I tested out the hot comb on the baby hairs just to make sure that I didn't melt the hair. So then once I did that, I just tried to flatten out the middle part just to make it look more natural as well. Then I sprayed it lightly with some Got To Be glue spray, very lightly, and then I used the soft bristles on my double-sided brush to brush down the back to hide the tracks because they were kind of sort of showing, which is super duper ghetto. You could see me trying to pluck the hairline, but I quickly realized that that wasn't gonna happen because it's not that much lace to make it actually look natural, so I quickly stopped. Then I flat ironed it on its lowest setting, very low setting, and I tested it out again on the baby hairs. So make sure you always test it out on the hair you don't care for, which was the baby hairs, because I wasn't going to keep it that long. To apply my wig, I only used Got To Be glue spray because I wasn't planning on keeping it on long and I wasn't going anywhere that would have caused me to sweat in the synthetic, so you really shouldn't use your really super duper good glue. So I'm just spraying it down now, and then I just tied it up with my satin wrap that I got from my beauty supply store and brushed it out. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So if you're new here, please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're a returning customer, welcome back. And please, if you're returning, you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Why are you here? Wait, no, stay. But why are you really here? Are you trying to be nosy? Like, no. So make sure you like the video. Just like it off the strength of it. It's me, you know? So, it's me like you want to support me. That's what I meant. So, first I'm going to start off by saying this video, you see, this is the real me. This is not what we're talking about, but I just want to show you all, like, just so y'all don't think I'm some sort of catfish. Like, this is the real me. I wear glasses. I realize I have not been on social media in a while with my glasses on. I don't know why. I just really wasn't thinking about it. And also, this is my hair. Like, this is not a wig, okay? This is my hair coming from the scalp, okay? So, this is like my first time getting a flat iron in like 2 years, so I'm pretty excited. Well, I was excited. I'm ready to put it up now, and it's only been like, I don't even think it's been 24 hours. Oh no, it's been 24 hours. It hasn't even been 48 hours yet, but I'm ready for it to go. So, but yeah, this is the real me. Take pictures So y'all know, if y'all ever see any other pictures of me, y'all don't think I'm a catfish. I can be if I want. So basically, I'm here to talk about a wig that I had on this weekend. It was really cute, and I named her Sabrina. So first off, let me show you the packaging it came in this. I honestly feel like this is a typo or something. I guess it's not, but they call it low wings, like low wings. So this is the wig packaging it came in. And you want to hear the surprise? The surprise is, first, it's synthetic. This is a synthetic wig, okay? So let me take it out the packaging, because you know I already wore it this weekend, so you know it's a little crusty. A little bit, just a little bit, but it's okay. So this is the inside of it. I usually put like some tape in my parts just to make it look natural. I don't know if you all can see that, but like this is how it looks when I have the tape right there. And this is how it looks on top with the tape right there. But anyways, this is not a tutorial, this is a review. So basically this is the wig, and how I ended up finding this wig, I was like, you know what, I want some like ash blonde wig. I want an ash blonde wig because I wear this brown outfit, and I was like, yeah, that looked really cute with some ash blonde hair. But you know, I'm kind of broke. So I was like, how do I get this hair without breaking the bank, okay? Because my bank is already broke. So so basically I was like, you know, I'm gonna just hit up the synthetic way, okay? This is not my first synthetic wig. It's actually my third synthetic wig, but the other two, they were for Halloween, but they were decent. They give me the same vibe as this one, so I'm like, those were decent enough for what I was looking for, you know, some temporary anyways. So I dang near might wear those again. But yeah, so I think I already showed y'all this, but I just really want y'all to see. So before I give my review, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So what I didn't like, I'm gonna just say this right now while y'all looking at it. What I didn't like was that this is a T part to me, okay? This is not no 13 by anything. This is supposed to be a 13 by 4, but this is 13 by 3, okay? But yeah. So I really don't like when wigs be having like this little amount of freaking you know, lace on the side. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? I mean, I'm not expecting much because this is a synthetic wig, but I'm just talking about wigs in general, like, you know, real hair wigs. So I wrote down in my little handy dandy notebook. I always say that, but all my notes and stuff about this wig. So first off, yeah, let's all say hi to Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina. Yeah, like, let's all say hi to Sabrina. And as you can see, my baby hair is still in it. It's super duper. You know what? We're gonna get into the facts. The facts. So basically, the pros about this wig is that it's affordable. I paid $31 for it, but you all will probably pay $51. The only reason I paid $31 is because some other stuff. But yeah, normal price $51 with tax. Some of the pros are that it's cute. It's long lasting for it to be as affordable as it is, which was $51. You can really get some wear out of this, okay? I'm gonna wear this again, like probably no time soon, but I'm probably gonna wear it again. I might do something to it, like, you know, you can cut it, all that, style it. I like that it's a lace front. I always like, if I get a synthetic wig, I always try to make it a lace front. That's pretty much it. So some of the cons was, of course, since it's synthetic, I mean, hair in general sheds, but since it's synthetic, it sheds. But you know, it's like blonde hair, so it just look weird. I mean, but that's not why it's a con. It's just a con because it sheds, period. The parting space, as you all saw, was terrible. Like, it was terrible. I really do not believe that was 4 inches. I don't have a ruler, but if I had a ruler, I would measure it. And also, let me show you all of this. As you can see, I don't know if you all can see, I can see in the mirror, but like right here, it just get all light and stuff. So it's like, dang, your tracks would be showing. Like, if you, I hope y'all can see that. But yeah, your tracks would be showing. No, them tracks are showing in the right light. Them baddies are showing. You probably can see them. Yeah, in the right light, they're showing. So if you're going somewhere with this wig, you better wear dark. I mean, you better go somewhere dark, okay? back to my notes. Yeah, like I had said earlier, it is not true 13 by 4. I feel like it's not a true 13 by 4 because of the, the side part. I feel like it's more so a T part. No, not necessarily a T part, a wide T part. That's what it is to me. I hate those. Also, another con is you need to keep a brush with you. I didn't keep a brush with me because, actually, no, I did bring a brush. At first, I went, don't try to go to no parties with this because you're still gonna be like that, literally. Like, as soon as you move your head, it's stiff wear. Like, it's gonna move with you and it's gonna stay there. It's gonna be up and stuck, okay? Look at me trying to relate with the younger crowd. Anyway, so yeah. So keep a brush with you, get a little portable brush. I had looked those up, but I ended up not buying it because honestly, I forgot until the day I got the wig and I had to wear it. But yeah, make sure y'all get a portable brush. I'll link below a portable brush that I was going to buy before I forgot. So these are just some notes to keep in mind once you buy the wig or just any synthetic wig in general. I never really got a super duper good synthetic wig. All the synthetic wigs I had gotten, they were off of Amazon. They were like, just some quick, because I told you I usually get my synthetic wigs for Halloween, but I was like, hey, let me get this one real quick because I want this color. So things to just keep in mind when you have a synthetic wig is they're super duper hard to pluck. Like, I mean, I guess it's obvious because it's synthetic, obviously it's plastic. So when you like pulling it off of the lace, it's gonna, you better make sure you take that, strand off because then it's gonna curl back up. Like, it's super duper hard to pluck. So yeah, keep that in mind. I didn't really pluck it. And also I didn't really pluck it either because the side parts, like if I pluck enough of it, you're gonna start seeing some tracks again. Another thing to keep in mind is it's super duper hard to do baby hair. Super duper hard. When I have human hair wigs, I use mousse to do my baby hair because it makes it soft. But with synthetic wigs, with Miss Sabrina over here, I use some real edge control, like some real edge control you would use on your real hair. I don't use edge control on my wigs because it's just gonna be stuck and I don't. But yeah, that's pretty much all of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually pretty short, probably because I did the recording before. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye my goodie dolls.